This is unit number 2, video 2, isotope practice. Okay, we know that an element can be represented chemically in this form. We'll have the mass number in the upper left, atomic number in the lower left, charge in the upper right, number of atoms in the lower right. Okay, we're going to focus in on A and plus or minus here. Let's go through some examples. We have sodium 23. Okay, to be sodium is to have 11 protons. So sodium has 11 protons because it's sodium. Not because this is 23, but because it's sodium. All sodium atoms have 11 protons. Well, if the mass number is 23, then it has to have 12 neutrons. No charge is listed up here. No charge is listed up there. The charge is 0. 0 doesn't mean 0 electrons. It means the same number of electrons as protons. So we're going to have 11 electrons. Let's go to here, strontium 90. Now we could just as easily see this written, strontium dash 90. That means these two mean exactly the same thing. You'll see it either way. There's no preference of one over the other. Strontium 90. To be strontium, we look it up on the periodic table, it has an atomic number of 38. That means there's 38 protons in strontium. 38 protons. If the mass number is 90 and there's 38 protons, the difference is the number of the neutrons. So we're going to have 52 neutrons. There's no charge listed here. There's no charge. The number of electrons equal the number of protons, and we're going to have 38 electrons. Now go to cobalt. Cobalt 60. This cobalt has a charge of +3. To be cobalt is to contain 27 protons. All atoms of cobalt contain 27 protons because 27 is the atomic number of cobalt. So we have 27 protons. The mass, the number of neutrons are neutral, so the charge has no effect on neutrons whatsoever. But the mass number does reflect the neutrons because the proton and neutrons both have the same mass. So 60 mass number minus 27 is going to give me 33 neutrons. So I have 33 neutrons. Now, +3. Since I have a positive value and there's 27 positive charges in there, the number of electrons must be less than the number of protons. So I'm going to have 24 electrons. The last one, selenium 80, -2 charge. To be selenium is to have 34 protons. So 34 protons is selenium. Since this has a mass number of 80, the difference is going to be the number of neutrons. That's going to be 46 neutrons. Now we have a negative charge. Negative charge means more electrons than protons. There has to be 34 protons because it's selenium. Therefore, the number of electrons must be 2 greater. That's 36 electrons, and that's selenium -280.